Once you log into manage.fastly.com, navigate to your services. Identify which service you want to use for staging and make sure there's one active version on it. Navigate to the version, clone, and we'll active this one to staging. By clicking on this button, you have activated this version in Fastly's new staging environment, allowing you to test changes here safely before deploying to production. Once you publish on staging, there are two ways to get your staging IPs. The first way is under Service Summary, Staging Box. When you click on Guide to Testing, you will see the staging IP next to each domain name, along with testing instructions. There's another way under Service Configurations Domain tab. You can see the staging IP next to each domain. You can use this icon to copy the staging IP and use it for testing. Once you've done testing, just click on Activate to Production to make it live on production. And that's it. You've successfully used Fastly's control panel to activate, test, and publish a new version using the new staging environment. Thanks for watching, and please share your feedback with Fastly.